Listen, if 2025 felt like a failure, if you wasted time, lost discipline, ruined routines, or just survived instead of lived, good. Because nothing creates a stronger version of you than a year that exposes your weaknesses. Here's how to become successful in 2026, even if 2025 was a complete mess. First, understand this. Success does not come from a new year. Success comes from a new identity. If you're taking the same habits, the same excuses, the same mindset into 2026, then nothing changes. A new year means nothing if you stay the same person. Step 1. Reset your standards. Not your goals, your standards. Your standards decide what you accept, what you tolerate, what you refuse. Successful people don't rise to their goals, they fall to their standards. If your standard is waking up late, overthinking everything, scrolling for hours, waiting for motivation, 2026 will be just another replay of 2025. Step 2. Don't build 10 habits, build one non-negotiable habit. One habit that proves to you every day, I'm not the old me anymore. It could be a 10-minute walk, a cold shower, reading for 5 minutes, fixing your sleep, cleaning your room daily, not going back to your ex, not replying to negativity. One habit, every single day. Consistency beats intensity. 2026 is the year of simple discipline. Step 3. Remove the poison. Stop adding positive things while keeping negative things alive. You cannot heal if you're still touching what hurt you. You cannot grow if you're still surrounded by people who don't want to grow. You cannot succeed if your environment is designed for failure. 2026 is the year you cut the drains. Not politely, not slowly, but completely. Step 4. Follow the 90-day rule. Don't think about the whole year. Think about 90 days. Ask yourself, if I focus for just 90 days, what version of me will show up in April? Most people fail because they plan 12 months and quit after 12 days. You're going to do the opposite. Step 5. Do the uncomfortable thing first. The call you're scared to make, the course you're scared to join, the habit you've been avoiding, the healing you've been postponing. Success is not found in comfort. Comfort is where your old life lives. 2025 wasn't a failure. It was feedback. It showed you everything you need to fix. Now build the version of you who deserves the life you want. Because if you don't take control of 2026, 2026 will look exactly like 2025. And you know deep down, you can't afford another year like that. Let's make 2026 the year you finally become who you were meant to be. Subscribe if you're ready.